A pop-up coming November the 14th. I am prepping. This is the second video I am doing from a pop-up that I'm prepping for. I have the travel slash silver tins here, the 3 ounces, a variety of scents. I have the mason jars here, 8 ounces there. I have these beautiful pineapple vessels that are pink, and this is the black one, y'all. I'm going to do a giveaway for this one. The fragrance is lemon pound cake, and I'm going to do a giveaway. Not sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I am going to do it. And I have the wax melts here, and the diffusers here. I don't have many. I ran out of the diffuser base, so I have 7. That's good enough.